How to create a GSM forum account, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account on the GSM forum, a popular online community for mobile phone enthusiasts and tech geeks. Whether you're looking for tips, tricks, or troubleshooting advice, the GSM forum is the place to be. Let's dive in. First, let's open up our web browser and head over to the GSM forum website. The URL is simple, upload.com. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage, which looks something like this. To create a new account, we need to register. Click on the register button located at the top right corner of the page. Now, you'll be taken to the registration page. Here, you'll need to fill out some basic information. Let's go through this step by step. First, enter your desired username. This is how other members will recognize you on the forum, so pick something unique and easy to remember. Next, you'll need to create a password. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter the password again to confirm. Now, enter your email address. Make sure it's a valid email because you'll need it to activate your account. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see the terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these to understand the forum rules. Once you're done, check the box to agree to the terms. Next, we have a captcha verification. This is to make sure you're not a robot. Go ahead and complete the captcha. Finally, click on the submit button to complete your registration. Now, check your email. Inbox for an activation email from the GSM forum. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the activation link. Great, your account is now activated. Head back to the GSM forum website and log in using your new username and password. And there you have it. You're now a member of the GSM forum. Feel free to explore the different sections, join discussions, and start posting your own questions or tips. Host, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more video like this and share.